level of the neshama, chelik ha-neshama ha-melubesh beguf. The chelik of the neshama which is enclosed in the body. Hainu be'elam hazeh, in this physical world. So therefore, this is what will take place in the revelation. And therefore, the Rebbe also would always connect. The Rebbe would dedicate a special talk, a special sicha, for the people that visited different shuls in different neighborhoods, called Talucha, that they visited different communities and spoke there and brought in joy there. So the Rebbe says every Yom Tov has something to reflect this inyan. By Pesach, it is Yavra V'Rogel, the inyan of going through with the feet, walking. So this is basically what people walked, if they walked to Flatbush, or they walked to the East Side, or they walked to the Bronx, or they walked to Upper Manhattan, or they walked to Brighton, or they walked to Queens. So different, this is all connected with the inyan of shoes. Now the Rebbe is going to discuss another detail. Another difference between the split of the sea and the split of the Euphrates. The Bekriyas Yamsuf Nifka Hayom Yud Beis Gzorim. By Kriyas Yamsuf it's split into 12 trails. Keneged Yud Beis Shvatim, referring to the 12 Shvatim. Dezekoi al Yud Beis Gvuli alachsen de Zoh. When we take diagonally all the attributes of Zoh, so we have 6 attributes, so diagonally it adds up. He says we have a Chesed Sheba Chesed, each one meets with the other, so it adds up to 12. Mishum. So he says, why is it, the Rebbe says, that in the split of the sea it was 12? Because it refers to Zoh. Zoh are the Midas. The Midas are basically the sources for dimension. The 6 Midas are the sources for dimension. There's a Maamar from the Rebbe Rashab in Tofresh Pei, 1920 Purim, Yutas Kislev. Yutas Kislev, he speaks there, L'cho Hashem, Agdula, V'agvura, V'atiferes, that all the attributes stand in a state of nullification to Hashem. He says, so the Rebbe Rashab says, when they stand in a state of nullification, automatically whatever they represent stands also like that. These 6 attributes are the 6 dimensions. Right, left, front, back, and up and down. These are the 6. Milo, Mato, Mizrach, Ma'ariv, Tzofan, and Dorim. East, west, north, south, up and down. These are basically the 6 dimensions. And therefore, the source for them are the Midas. Mizrach is Chesed, because it shines there. Dorim, it says, is the union of the south. Sometimes it says that Dorim is the south, because that's where it's warmer. The sun is stronger there, in the south, in the southern hemisphere. And then you have Ma'ariv, is the union of the Shechina, is west. There's the different dimensions have sources in the higher attributes. So, but still, because it is a source for these limitations, so it's already relating to the limitations. Mishum shazel winyan shebemedida v'agbola b'seder ha'ishtalshalos. It is already in the seder of ishtalshalos. Mashenkin losid laviksivi kol l'shiva necholim. In the upcoming redemption, it'll be into 7 trails, 7 lakes. Dekoi al zayin hamida shelamayla matzilus shelamayla menatzimtzum. This refers to the 7 attributes that are higher than Atzilus and higher than the restrictions. And therefore, it is to 7, because this is the revelation that takes place then. B'meila, what happens then is, the Giluyim Eilu, these revelations, Yiyu Nimshachim Yisrael Kifi Sheim Lamata Neshamas Begufim. Like the Rebbe said earlier, the Regel Sheba Neshama, the leg of the Neshama in this physical world, the Rebbe stresses again, it will be drawn down to Yidden, as they are body, Neshamas and bodies. And as it is known that the ultimate and complete reward, which we will receive in the upcoming redemption, is exclusively for neshamas and body. It's like the Ramban says, not like the Rambam says. The Rambam says neshamas without bodies. The Ramban says neshamas and bodies. And Chassidus explains dafke, accepting that it's neshamas and bodies, because the bodies were part of the Aveda. They took part in Avedas Hashem, in tzitzis, in tefillin, in other yanim. So b'meila they have a share. It says literally, banor yavro v'rogel, that they will pass physically. No verse goes out from its simple meaning. Ukemevur sipar advarim bepratis b'Haftarah, as it's mentioned in the Haftarah. V'hainu, shelatech shiva hanecholim, that from the shiva necholim hagashim into the 7 necholim hagashim, this physical world, yumshach mezayin amidah shel mayla matzimtzum, will be drawn down from the 7 midas, the attributes that are higher than the tzimtzum b'chinas pnimius atik. It will be revealed and everybody will see it. And as the Mittel Rebbe stresses, means not only the eyes of the meat, but the meat alone will see it. And your master won't be concealed anymore. And this is what he concludes in the Pasuk Hafach Yom Li'Abasha, which is the beginning of the Maamar, the verse in the beginning, that by your nar yavav rogel shom nismchavei. Shom, there we will rejoice. What is the boy? Not talking about the lake or the river. We're talking about boy batzmuse. We will be connected with the Eibishter and we will rejoice with the Eibishter in his essence. Because if Mamish very soon, Begula mitis v'ashleimen, the true and ultimate redemption of the Mashiach Tzedkenu.